Can you remember this? A temperature in degrees Celsius plus 273 gives you a temperature in Kelvin. And a temperature in Kelvin minus 273 gives you a temperature in degrees Celsius. Have you asked yourself the reason for 273 in the first place? That any temperature value in degrees Celsius, when you add 273, it becomes a value in Kelvin. The reason is simple. We have a thermometer known as Kelvin thermometer, and there is a thermometer known as Celsius thermometer. This is a Celsius thermometer. If you use Celsius thermometer to measure the temperature of ice, it will give you 0. But the same Celsius thermometer has negative values. And remember, the temperature of boiling water, that is the vapor from boiling water, is 100 degrees Celsius. We have another thermometer called Kelvin thermometer. If you dip the same Kelvin thermometer inside an ice, it is going to give you a value that is not 0. And that value is 273 Kelvin. This shows that as Celsius thermometer is creating a kind of impression that there is no heat in the ice, Kelvin thermometer is telling you that there is a lot of heat. And the water vapor from boiling water reads on Kelvin thermometer 373. Now, if Kelvin thermometer could record presence of heat in an ice, it means that Kelvin thermometer is so sensitive. Now, you have to ask yourself, if this Kelvin thermometer could not record 0 on ice, but it records 273 Kelvin, where is the 0 degree on the Kelvin thermometer? Where is the 0 degree? The 0 degree is actually here, and it is called 0 Kelvin. This is called absolute 0, because there is no heat beyond this. If you use Celsius thermometer, it is going to give you minus 273 degrees Celsius. So both this and this are the same, but on different thermometer scales. These two equations were actually formed from these two things. You can see that if this temperature value and this one are the same, it means this one and this one are also the same, and it means this one and this one are also the same. Now you ask yourself, what do I add to 100 degrees Celsius in order to get 373 degrees Celsius? In fact, that should be 273. 100 plus 273 will give you 373. What do I add to 0 degrees Celsius to get 273 Kelvin? Of course, it's the same number. Again, what do I add to minus 273 in order to get 0 Kelvin? Is going to be 273. So plus 273, you get 0. Also ask yourself, what do I remove from 373 to get 100? Of course, it's 273. You also ask yourself, what do I remove from 273 to get 0? It's the same 273. What do I remove from 0 to get minus 273? 0 minus 273 will give you minus 273. And that is how these two formulae were gotten. Any temperature in degrees Celsius that you add 273, you are getting a temperature reading in Kelvin. Any temperature reading in Kelvin that you subtract 273 from, you will get a temperature in degrees Celsius. Do you understand that now? If you understand this, comment I understand. Click on the plus and like button, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.